Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Project title: A MapReduce based nearest neighbor approach for big data driven traffic flow prediction. Now see the abstract. The traffic data in transportation have been exploding rapidly with the characteristics of heterogeneity, autonomous sources, and complex and evolving associations. The big data generated by the intelligent transportation systems are worth further exploring to bring all their full potential for more proactive traffic management. The ability to accurately predict the evolution of traffic in an online and real-time manner plays a crucial role in traffic management. The performance of nearest neighbor classifiers can be seriously affected if the size of the training examples is extremely large. In big data-driven traffic flow prediction systems, the robustness of prediction performance depends on accuracy and timeliness. Based on this, the proposed system presents a new MapReduce-based driver approach for traffic flow prediction using correlation analysis on a Hadoop platform. It performs real-time prediction system framework on this Hadoop platform, combining the MapReduce and Row network. A robust nearest neighbor classifier is presented to enhance the accuracy, efficiency, and scalability of traffic flow prediction by discovering correlation information among the traffic flow and incorporating it into the classification process. Also, a novel prediction calculation method combining the current data observed and the classification results obtained from the large-scale historical data to generate the traffic flow prediction in real time. The research demonstrates that the proposed system for the real-time traffic flow prediction has superior performance by speeding up the classification process and reducing the storage requirements. Also, it shows that the proposed system outperforms the existing approaches in terms of its accuracy. Let's see the flow diagram. First, the big traffic data is taken as the input for our traffic flow prediction. Then the data is pre-processed by removing the extra characters and the negative times are modified to the positive timing in 24-hour format. After that, the feature section is processed. In this, the required amount of time traffic is taken as the future. After that, the historical data. That means from the future, the before and the after timing data are all collected in this process. Then the robust classifier is performed. Here, the nearest neighbors are calculated. After that, according to the neighbors, the classification is performed that which neighbors are close and far from the node. After that, the prediction is calculated by the nearest and the farthest node in the network. After that, the performance is evaluated, that is, the accuracy is found out. Let's see the output demo. First, right click on this file and give run as run on Hadoop. So we have to select the virtual machine and then finish. Now all the files are exporting and running. Here our process is a MapReduce based nearest neighbor approach for big data driven traffic flow prediction. Now we have to start the process. Now we have to choose the file for the traffic flow. So these are the three taxis dataset. So choose all the data. So the three taxis dataset are the days that are mentioned here. So these are all the traffic flow data. Then process it. Now we have to pre-processing the files. So the list of files are taxi 1, taxi 2 and taxi 3. Now we have to load the files. The file is successfully loaded and then pre-process. In the pre-process process, the negative timing are converted to the 24-hour format. The pre-process is completed. Now view the files by clicking on this list. So the timings are converted to the positive 24-hour format. Then process it. So the pre-processing results for taxi 1 for the days is given here. So as same as for the taxi 2 results and the taxi 3 results. So next, the future have to be extracted. For the taxi 1, the list of days are present. Click the extract button. Taxi 1 feature is extracted. So the list of files is presented here. Then the same as the taxi 2 have to be extracted and the files are saved. And taxi 3 extract. So the files are saved. Then next, the traffic flow is created with historical data. So for the taxi 1 and taxi 2 and taxi 3 all are created. If you view this means, we can able to see the exact timings and the position of all the three taxis. Now we have to classify. So this is the file name. So we have to upload in the Hadoop. Now we have to process the MapReduce process. Now the file is uploaded successfully. Now the MapReduce process is executed here. After completing its MapReduce process, we have to view the process as the traffic data, overall traffic data for the traffic flow dataset. So we have to start the classification. Data are successfully classified. So for the taxi 1, taxi 2 and taxi 3, positions are classified with the distance. Then we have to view the prediction results. The prediction results are represented for the two taxis. Here is the prediction results that which taxis are very close and which taxis are very far in time. So the final result is the precision and the accuracy value. So for the precision and accuracy values are get for our traffic flow prediction. Thanks for watching.